Welcome to today's video, where we're going to dive deep into the most impressive and insane mega project humanity has ever witnessed. The line in Saudi Arabia, from a cost of $1 trillion to all the negative backlash that this project has had. We're going to talk about all the untold details that you need to know about the line. So buckle up and get ready to discover the shocking truth behind the construction of the line. On January 10th of 2021, the Saudi crown ruler Mohammed Container Salman declared plans for a Uber project that would upset the manner in which we ponder urban communities. The project is called The Line, a 170-kilometer long linear city that is only 200 meters wide and 500 meters above sea level. The line is aiming to run on 100% renewable energy, and 95% of the project will be preserved for nature. The need of the venture is individuals' well-being and prosperity, instead of zeroing in on transportation and foundation. The line will eventually have 9 million residents, and Saudi Arabia claims it'll create 380,000 jobs within the linear city. The climate within the city will always be ideal for residents, since this can be artificially adjusted for the entire line. On the off chance that you would live inside the line, all that you really want would be within a 5-minute strolling distance, and you can go from one stopping point to the next inside just 20 minutes on the pristine fast rail organization. The construction of the line is unlike any other mega project that we have ever seen, and it seems quite unrealistic to achieve. Nobody has construction plans as ambitious as Saudi Arabia, but can they really make it happen, or are they just trying to get worldwide attention? In this video, we're going to reveal the shocking truth behind the construction of the line. Saudi Arabia is currently building the most impressive and insane mega project humanity has ever witnessed, with a total cost of $1 trillion. The objective is to lessen the country's reliance on oil and turn the economy around to zero, in addition to innovation, the travel industry, and different areas. The line is important for Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, a gigantic arrangement to remake the nation's picture, and it's an assurance of a ton of openness and global consideration. Two 500-meter buildings will be built parallel to each other, 200 meters apart, to build a line. The buildings outside will be mirrored, making it magnificent. The line will pass over mountains and deserts, from the Gulf of Aqaba to the nation. Skywalks will link the mirror structures. The project will include public parks, several office spaces, millions of dwellings, and every retailer imaginable. All of this will be built vertically, with a yacht marina and sports stadiums erected up to 305 meters above Earth. However, is the line even feasible? Many think the project resembles a huge fantasy kingdom from a movie. Saudi Arabia plans to build sections of the project by 2030 and move in over 10 million citizens. The linear city may offer too much in too little time, yet humanity has built some of the craziest mega projects in tough settings. Saudi Arabia seldom completes mega projects. The Jeddah Tower, which was meant to be the highest building in the world, is still on hold and barely achieved 1/3 of its height. Despite these delays, the line commenced construction. They're trying to design the 170-kilometer line to make sure the land can support the massive project. The linear city trailer has been viewed by around 50 million people worldwide. Why would Saudi Arabia risk its image to build a massive mega project? Saudi Arabia has been rebranding itself since Mohammed bin Salman took power. The line is a major aspect of this rebranding and guarantees international visibility. The line also has detractors. Saudi Arabia wants to develop a mega city with 100% sustainable transit and zero emissions. Yet they never highlighted the vast carbon footprint this will leave. Multiple analysts say constructing the line would generate over 2 billion tons of CO2, equivalent to 4 years of UK CO2. This makes building a carbon-neutral metropolis less appealing. Critics have also noted Saudi Arabia's human rights record and calculated the human cost of its ambitions. Experts estimate that 20,000 people must leave their houses to accommodate NEOM. Human rights are a major concern currently and will hinder fundraising for the trillion-dollar mega project. The line's financial planners wanted Western investors to invest, but they are not interested. Some economic alliances were negotiated poorly. Even with enough money, certain neon and linear city concepts are too complex to implement. The line is an insane mega project that Saudi Arabia is currently building. It is part of the country's Vision 2030 plan to rebuild its image and reduce its dependence on oil. The line is unlike any other mega project that we have ever seen, but the question remains, will it actually succeed? Saudi Arabia has surely managed to gain a lot of exposure with the announcement of the Neon City and all the projects within it, but most of this exposure has been negative. The project faces many problems, like the earlier mentioned human rights abuses. It remains a very trending question. Will the line actually succeed? Only time will tell, and we're gonna make sure to keep you posted on the construction process. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.